Hello friends, and welcome back to Gentle Herb Living, where we grow healthier gardens naturally. Today I want to shine a light on some of the insects you might be tempted to squash on sight, but if you learn to recognize and welcome them, they'll become some of your best allies in the garden. These tiny helpers protect your plants, improve your soil, and make your garden stronger without the need for chemicals. The first insect you should never kill is the ladybug. Ladybugs are voracious predators of aphids, which are one of the most common pests you'll find sucking sap from your herbs and vegetables. A single ladybug can eat dozens of aphids in one day. If you see ladybug larvae, which look a bit like tiny alligators, don't panic. They might look strange, but they're even more powerful than the adults at cleaning up pest populations. When you spot ladybugs, celebrate! You've got an entire team working to protect your plants. Next on the list are ground beetles. These shiny black or brown beetles patrol your soil at night, hunting slugs, cutworms, and other soft-bodied pests that hide during the day. Ground beetles love to live under mulch, rocks, or logs, so if you keep a diverse garden habitat, you'll naturally attract them. Instead of disturbing every corner of your garden in a tidy-up frenzy, leave a few sheltered spots where ground beetles can thrive. They'll repay you by reducing pest damage season after season. Another insect you'll want to welcome is the lacewing. Lacewings are delicate, green insects with gossamer wings, and their larvae are sometimes called aphid lions. They feed on aphids, thrips, and even small caterpillars. If you see tiny green eggs hanging on the ends of slender stalks on your plant leaves, don't wipe them off. Don't forget about the humble earthworm. Although technically not an insect, earthworms are absolutely essential to soil health. They aerate the soil, break down organic matter, and create tunnels that help water and nutrients reach plant roots. Instead of trying to sterilize your beds, focus on feeding your soil with compost and mulch so worms can thrive and do their work quietly underground. Finally, watch for hoverflies, sometimes called syrphid flies. Adult hoverflies look like small bees or wasps, but they don't sting. They pollinate your plants and lay eggs that hatch into larvae that eat aphids and other pests. Planting flowers like calendula, dill, and yarrow will attract hoverflies and encourage them to stay. When you start to see these beneficial insects as allies rather than enemies, your garden transforms into a balanced, resilient ecosystem. You'll have fewer pest problems and healthier plants without spraying harmful chemicals. If you enjoyed learning about these amazing garden helpers, don't forget to subscribe to Gentle Herb Living and click the bell so you never miss a natural gardening tip. Share this video with friends who want to grow a thriving garden in harmony with nature. Let's celebrate all the life that makes our garden strong.